gonna say the door. So some tips for a great open house. Flowers, candles, we always bring something to the open house. Matt loves hydrangeas. We love hydrangeas, so we always do something white or blue because it's clean, it's simple. Waters, we're just waiting for ice. Come on over. We do some fresh flowers. We have some great music playing, cookies. Thank you for popping over with some popcorn. Our open house sheets are definitely important because we get to know every single person that's come through, have all their information, so it's easier for us to reach out. Oh yeah, definitely some zhuzh there. All right, so let's get the house ready. Well, you want to walk into a house that's nice, clean. We will have Steve White here.
Line up for hot. Nice. Wow, open it out. I gotta warn you, the camera loves me. I'm a thirst trap on every shot.
Yeah.
I love that.